Welcome to North American Bank Card, your proven partner for all your credit card processing solutions. Looking to get set up to accept credit cards? Already processing but want a better rate? Either way, I can assure you you've come to the right place. Only NAB offers the best personal service in the industry, and rates so low, we promise to beat your current processing rate or we'll give you $500. So get started today, 100% hassle-free, and start growing your business. We'll put our resources and expertise to work for you so you can process any form of payment within today's ever-evolving business world. From credit cards and debit cards to fleet cards and gift and loyalty cards. A proven industry leader since 1992, NAB processes billions in transactions annually for over 100,000 satisfied merchants. From small corner stores to the major retailers and everything in between. Run a small to mid-sized business? We'll give you the same processing service and equipment the big guys get, and we'll provide it to you absolutely free. All at a guaranteed lower rate, or we give you $500. And we'll back it up with a commitment to customer service that matches your own. Our top-rated help desk is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Ready to put the North American Bank Card Advantage to work for you? Contact an NAB representative today. North American Bank Card, your best choice in a credit card processing partner.